Hello dear students. In the today's class, we will try to solve some of the problems related to statistical analysis of data in the measurement system. Let us look at problem number 1. Here in this problem, suppose the first reading x1 is equal to 49.7, x2 is equal to 50.1, x3 is equal to 50.2, x4 is equal to 49.6 and x5 is equal to 49.7. For the given data, calculate first one arithmetic mean. Next, you have to calculate deviation from the mean, and last one is algebraic sum of the deviation. In the last class, we know these three terms, so that we will solve one by one. Now the solution for this problem is, so that in the given problem, the total number of reading n is equal to 5. Similarly, the first reading, that is x1 is equal to 49.7, x2 is equal to 50.1, x3 is equal to 50.2, x4 is equal to 49.6 and x5 is equal to 49.7. So that here first term, that is arithmetic mean, can be calculated as, we know the formula or equation for arithmetic mean, x bar is equal to summation xn, where n is varying from 1 to n, divided by n. According to our problem, total number of reading n is equal to 5, so that the above equation can be written as x bar is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 divided by n. So that after substitution of all the values in the above equation, and after finding this expression by using calculator, you will get the answer as 49.86. So that here in the given problem, arithmetic mean x bar is equal to 49.86. This is how we have to solve the problem. Similarly, next term we have to calculate, that is deviation from the mean. Here, as per the equation for deviation from the mean, dn is equal to xn minus x bar. We know that in our problem, total number of measured values are 5, so that in this problem we will get the deviation from the mean as dn is equal to d1, d2, d3, d4 and d5. So that for first measured value, deviation from the mean d1 is equal to x1 minus x bar. Now substitute the value of x1 and x bar in the expression. Here d1 is equal to 49.7 minus 49.86. After calculation, d1 is equal to minus 0.16. Similarly, second deviation from the mean d2 is equal to x2 minus x bar. Now substitute the value in the expression so that d2 is equal to 50.1 minus 49.86. So after calculation, d2 becomes plus 0.24. Similarly, here d3 is equal to x3 minus x bar. Substitute the value in the expression. We know that x3 is 50.2 and x bar, that is arithmetic mean which we have calculated already, that is 49.86. So that d3 is equal to plus 0.34. Next one, we have to measure fourth deviation from the mean, that is d4 is equal to x4 minus x bar. So that x4 is 49.6 and deviation from the mean, that is 49.86. So after calculation, d4 is equal to minus 0.26. And the last deviation from the mean, that is d5 is equal to x5 minus x4. Now after substitution, d5 is equal to 49.7 minus 49.86, that is equal to minus 0.16. So that in this problem, the deviation from the mean for all the measured values are d1 is equal to minus 0.16, d2 is equal to plus 0.24, d3 is equal to plus 0.34, d4 is equal to minus 0.26, and last deviation, that is d5 is equal to minus 0.16. And the last term in our problem, that is algebraic sum of all the deviation from the mean. Now look at here, the expression for algebraic sum of all the deviation, that is d total is equal to d1 plus d2 plus d3 plus d4 plus d5. Here the name itself indicates that in this expression we have to add all the deviation from the mean so that we will get the total number of deviation from the mean in the measurement system. So now substitute the value of deviation from the mean. Already we know the value of deviation from the mean from d1 to d5. Now substitute here. What we will get? D total is equal to minus 0.16 plus 0.24 plus 0.34 minus 0.26 minus 0.16. After calculation, you will get D total as 0. I think already we know this. The condition for algebraic sum of all the deviation from the mean, that is, if you add all the deviation from the mean, then the total of all the deviation should be 0. Let us try to solve another problem. What is the given problem? A circuit was tuned for resonance by 4 different students and the values of resonance frequency in kilohertz was recorded as 532, 548, 543 and 534. For the given data, calculate arithmetic mean, deviation from the mean and algebraic sum of the deviation. As we know that before solve our problem, we should write the given data in the given problem. We know that the total number of reading taken small n is equal to 4 and the measured values are first reading x1 is equal to 532 kilohertz, x2 is equal to 548 kilohertz, x3 is equal to 543 kilohertz and x4 is equal to 535 kilohertz. After that, first term that we have to calculate, that is arithmetic mean. We know that arithmetic mean x bar is equal to summation xn, where n is varying from 1 to n divided by n. According to our problem, n is equal to 4, so that above expression can be rewritten as x bar is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 whole divided by n. So that after substitution, x bar is equal to 532 plus 548 plus 543 plus 535 divided by 4. After calculation, you will get the answer for arithmetic mean as 539.5 kilohertz. Similarly, deviation from the mean can be calculated as, we know the formula for deviation from the mean, that is dn is equal to xn minus x bar. In the given problem, total number of measured values are 4, so that deviation from the mean dn is equal to d2, d3, d4. That means in this problem we should find total 4 number of deviation from the mean, so that d1 is equal to x1 minus x bar. We know the value for x1, that is 532, and the value for arithmetic mean which we have solved earlier, that is 539.5. After substitution, d1 becomes minus 7.5 kilohertz. Similarly, you have to find the deviation from mean for second reading, that is d2 is equal to x2 minus x bar. Now here substitute the value. We know that x2 is 548 and arithmetic mean, that is 539.5. Substitute the value in the above expression. d2 is equal to 548 minus 539.5. So after calculation, what is the value for d2? d2 is equal to plus 8.5 kilohertz. Similarly, d3 is equal to x3 minus x bar. Substitute the value here. d3 is equal to 543 minus 539.5. After calculation, d3 is equal to plus 3.5 kilohertz. Similarly, d4 is equal to x4 minus x bar. Here we know the value for x4 and x bar. Substitute the value in the above expression, so that d4 is equal to 535 minus 539.5, that is equal to minus 4.5 kilohertz. So that in this problem the deviation from the mean for all the measured variable are d1 is equal to minus 7.5 kilohertz, d2 is equal to plus 8.5 kilohertz, d3 is equal to plus 3.5 kilohertz, and d4 is equal to minus 4.5 kilohertz. Now let us try to calculate the algebraic sum of all the deviation, so that d total is equal to d1 plus d2 plus d3 plus d4. Now here we know that d1 is minus 7.5, d2 is 8.5, d3 is 3.5, and d4 is minus 4.5. Now substitute the value in the above expression, so that d total is equal to minus 7.5 plus 8.5 plus 3.5 minus 4.5. After calculation, d total is equal to 0. That means we have satisfied the expression or the condition for algebraic sum of all the deviation. This is how we can find the value for algebraic sum of all the deviation. This is what end of the presentation. In the next class, let us try to solve some of the problems related to statistical analysis of the data in the measurement system. Thank you and see you in the next video.